last episode, you saw how much struggle I had it, but today we're gonna put this baby back together. First thing is we're gonna put the bumper back on and make sure that everything fits. I don't even remember when was the last time I put this bumper apart. I don't even know where the bolts are. I don't even know anything, but we'll figure out that together. We put the grill on. Let's do this touch because I don't want to put when I don't have access to the grill. Front's all done. Can't believe how good this came out though. Don't worry about this is coming out. It's just I've been waiting for the new part. But meanwhile, I had to do all these things. I know it's a little different between the black, the matte black and the gloss black. But if you see, the mirrors are also gloss. So all the lights and the mirror is gonna be gloss. Everything else is gonna be kind of matte black. Which, speaking of, we're gonna do the trims for the lights, the tail lights as well. See that trim? Let's do this, and then we're gonna put the car down, give a good wash, and then we can start the process of paint correction. Oops. Researching for upgrade those wheels. I want bigger wheels, but I don't want to go out of stock wheels. So I found something on Facebook Marketplace, which is the stock wheels. And you're gonna like, oh, they're the same, but they are 17 and those tires are brand new like that one. So I can swap back and forth. And yeah, I like those wheels. So let's put those in and see how the car looks like. Eita, pera. Vai. Pra você soltar isso, vai. iron remover. I just finished iron remover application. Now I'm gonna clean this up because I don't want to clean when the car is all clean. As you guys know, I did this before, so I'm gonna just walk you guys through it. I covered the main parts, and now I'm gonna use, I normally use this big guy here. It's pretty nice. You can hook up straight to the foam cannon and make a lot of soap and let it sit for a while. Come with a brush, and that's it. Rinse it off, and that's it. So let's do this because I think it's gonna be way better. This car probably never had an engine clean, so it's time for one. So that's the grill foam cannon adapter that you can use. So good though, so good. With the car back in the garage, and just don't mind my son is carrying me. You saw I spent a lot of time with him. So the car back in the garage, man, so many scratches. I don't know if the camera will show, but right now I'm gonna do a cleanup on the interior because hey, everybody needs a clean interior, right? So as you can see, there's no floor mats. I'm gonna buy new ones, pretty much it's clean, but I don't think it ever had a cleanup on it. So I'm gonna use my extractor, some good interior cleaning. We're gonna shampoo, we're gonna put a conditioner on the seats, and that's it. And then we're gonna tack like the doors and everything. I'll show you as much as I can, but I want to make sure that the process is straightforward. The other thing I use it. What's up? Papai tá falando inglês porque o papai tá fazendo vídeo. So I have to show them this. So I use this thing here on the trim, as you can see. The reason why I didn't show you guys, you know, like, okay, that's how I apply, because I'm trying. So I apply this, and then let's see how much it's gonna last. Worst case scenario, we have to paint it, right? It's so hard to see on camera, but I think you can see here, right? When you come here, there's basically nothing. And when you go here, then you can start seeing the scratches. Look, see? And when you go here, you don't see anything. Look at that, right? So the challenge here is This car has so many rock chips. You see, those are rock chips. There's nothing you can do about it unless you paint it or touch up. From far away, you cannot see anything. But I think this green looks great. So I think one pass of 105 would do it. And now just do on the entire car. I know here it doesn't look that much, but I'll try to show like this scratch. See? There. Here you cannot see anything, you only see the green. See? Look at that. Nothing. Look, when you move here, you start seeing all the scratch and everything. So the goal is to leave everything like this. What a journey, and finally the car I can call ready. And ready for what? I don't know. But look at that bumper, totally repair. The black trims restore. There's a little bit of compound here that I'll take care of it later. But for now, the car, look how shiny it is. The ceramic coat works perfect. The 17 is so much better. There's no warning lights, nothing. So the car looks so much better than when I got it. Yeah, even the small details like the mini stuff, look, you can see the reflection there. The roof looks pretty nice. No more scratch. Of course, the car has, you know, small stuff like this. I cannot get rid of it. The front also, it's not perfect because otherwise this hood was beat up. Look, the amount of rock chips. This is just painting the hood. There's no way around it. But man, for what it was, it is perfect. The interior also came out great. I still need the floor mats. I'm using a different floor mat for now. Take the keys out. I'm using a different floor mat. That head unit I will show you in the next video, so I'm just trying now. But it looks great, works great with the Mini. Everything else, car is ready to go. One more for the books, boys. Look at that. All right, boys, one more for the books. Yes, one more for the books. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. If you can leave a comment, I really appreciate your help. This was a lot of fun. I learned so much about this platform in general, and what a feeling of accomplishment. The car is not perfect by any means, but it's the best it can get with what it is. We didn't have to paint anything besides the bumper, and you cannot even tell it was painted because matches perfect. Of course, as I said, the hood maybe need new paint, but brakes new, suspension new. I did oil change. The motor is brand new, new air compressor, new AC charge, so many stuff. I'm telling you, if you never face something like this, I'll try. The sense of accomplishment, it's on the other level. All right, I hope you guys enjoy. If you are here for the first time, subscribe. Leave me a comment below. If you're watching to here, you are the real MVP, and I appreciate you. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.